Alright, today we're going to go over manual transmissions. Some of the components in a manual transmission are the input shaft. You got your input gears, or input bearing, input gear, counter gear. These are all your drive gears, your driven gears, your synchronizer hubs, blocker rings, dog teeth. Now we're going to go over the power flow of the manual transmission. It starts at the crankshaft, then it goes to the flywheel, which we don't have right here, and then it goes to the pressure plate, friction disc, then to the input shaft, and then to the input gear, counter gear, and then whatever drive gear you select, it'll go to that next, and then it'll go up to the selected driven gear. Then it'll go to the synchro collar, then to the synchro hub, then to the output shaft, then to the drive shaft, differential, and then the rear wheels and the vehicle will move. And now the last thing we're going to talk about is some of the faults and problems in the manual transmission. If you see any brass flakes when you're changing the transmission fluid, it is probably due to the fact that your block rings are chipping off or flaking off. And then if it is hard to shift on all gears, then that has to do with the clutch assembly. And then if it pops out of gear, then it has to do with the detent spring, or the dog teeth are dull or worn off and it's not keeping it in gear.